Grabe.
Timing tayo dito ah.
Hey, Chip!
Bilis lang.
Chip, kumain ka na! Ito pagkain mo, oh. Chebo! Ate, nag-ikit ng kakanan ikay si Cheb. Uy, may kakanan siya. Tapos hindi siya Kuko ah. Kay, come here! Pwede mo nagsigan. Kay, come here! Grabe nung nilabas ko yung tweets. Pumunta. Ay. Ikaw hindi ka pwede. Kay, anong gusto mo dito ngayon? Ito kaninang umaga to ni Kay.
Araw-araw pipit ah. Pero tayo tagal ah.
Pork naman. Okay. Pork daw, Kay. Okay lang sa'yo, pork? Hmm? Okay lang sa'yo, pork? 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 Ito to? Made with real pork. Hala, beef pork yan kanina.
Ngayon.
Beef. Inalis ko yung sticker. Ikay, paano na yan mali to?
Mali daw. Mali. Huwag na mag-tweet-tweet. Mali.
Huwag na mag-tweets, Kay. Huwag na mag-tweets. Hmm? Hello, maghahanap tayo ngayon ng lunch. Kasi it's 1 o'clock na. Dito pa pala to. Traumatized. Nag-fish finals ata yun? Oo, fish finals na. Itulog akong 4 hours from 9 to 12. Tapos, gumising ako ng, 9 to 11, 9 to 1 a.m. 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. Then, gumising na ako. Kasi sabi ko, matutulog muna ako. Then, I drank Cobra to stay awake and to study until exam na. Like, from 1 a.m. hanggang mag-exam na, I'm awake. And then, when the exam started, may himatay sana ako kasi sumasagot na ako ng test paper. And then, I felt like I can't breathe and nag-white na yung nakikita ko. Then I raised my hand and told my prof, Doc, I don't feel good. I asked for, I asked for water because I don't have any water and someone volunteered to give. And thankfully, I recovered and continued and finished the exam. And I don't know, I am not confident with that exam because I have one PPT that I haven't read and took the exam. I don't know if we'll see. I have decided. I'll sit here. Inayos ko naman yung sarili ko, syempre, kasi kanina pala, na-realize ko na haggard pala ako. And look at my background dogs. This is Seb. No, Seb. And Mikay the cone dog. Kay! So I have here egg, hot dog, and onion. I want some scrambled egg in my sandwich, so we will be making one. Just one egg. One egg. I will discard that later. Also, I like patis rather than salt to give some flavor. Ito. For my scrambled egg. Oh wait, ano pala. I'll just mix some. Okay, ito. Saan ka galing pa?
Yan dito sa electric pan. Ito.
Nasi ka Amazon.
Dito sa taas. Gusto ko sana maligod. Ano parang hindi ko kaya eh.
Continue studying for my finals hell week this week. I hope I'll survive this week. Bye! Look at this busy dog. Shh, Chebu! Sa po yung tera po? Dalawa lang po yung sour and cream po, tsaka cheese.